Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share how to make this delicious Ghana fish pie. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description. Right now we'll start on the dough. So we have soft raisin flour. We're going to add in some nutmeg, salt, and just give everything a very good mix. Once you have mixed the dry ingredients, add in your softened butter and you're going to rub the fat and the flour together to make a crumbly texture. The dough should look like this. Now you're going to stream in a little bit of cold water, little bit by little bit, till the dough forms together. This dough should look like this, soft. Sorry if you hear the fireworks in the background. If you're in UK, you know that there's a lot of fireworks going on. I split the dough into 2 dough balls and wrap them in plastic. Set your dough aside and then you're going to work with your tuna. This is the tuna I'm using, sunflower oil tuna. It's better than the one in brine. You're going to add a bit of oil to the pan and then you're going to fry your onions. You want to fry to golden brown, then add in your tuna. I drained most of the oil, as much of it as I could, and then you just want to add the tuna to the fried onions. Give everything a very good mix. After mixing everything, you want to add in your seasonings. I kept mine nice and simple. Chili powder, turmeric. If you don't have turmeric, you can use curry powder. A little bit of salt. Literally nice and simple. Again, give it all a good mix. Once it's done, you're just gonna add in the mixed veggies. This is very much optional. I added it for color and a bit of flavor, but if you do not want to add mixed veggies, it's fine, but it's traditional. I set the filling aside to cool. As the filling cools down, you're gonna start rolling out the dough. Roll it nicely, about 1 inch thick, not too much, and then you're gonna cut out circles with a cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, be free to use anything else you have, a cup, a bowl, a small bowl, anything you have, anything that's convenient for you. It is not going to change the taste of the meat pies, it's still going to be amazing, so please be free to use whatever you have. All you need to do is add in a little bit of filling into the middle of the dough of the circle and then fold it and crimp it. You can use a fork or you can just do indents like I did here. So I'll show you. Literally just do indents. I didn't do properly. I literally just sealed it first before doing the indents. Yeah, with your thumb, and you literally just press into the dough, or you could just use a fork, whatever's convenient for you. Use a fork to poke some holes on the meat pie so that way some steam can escape, and then you're gonna pour some just gonna brush a little bit of egg wash. I'm just using egg yolk right now because I think it just gives a richer color, but you can do a mix of egg and milk, but you just need 1 egg. This is the pie, really nice golden brown, and it's so flaky. I cut it in half so you guys can see the inside, so flaky. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you all.